We're working on the little boy's room now. Willa's helping. Good job.
Dip it again.
Nice technique. Willa, what are you doing? You painting?
Are you painting for your brother?
Say hi, Grandpa. Grandpa, say hi.
Hello.
Grandpa's working hard. Good work, Willa.
Good job. Thank you for your help.
What a good helper. And this is going to be a boy room. In about 4 months. That's good.
All right.
Mari's a helper too. Mari.
All done. Good job. Thanks for helping.
Thank you, Willa.
Thanks.
Good job. All done.
All done.
Willa, how old are you?
2.
And what are you going to have? Are you going to have a baby brother? Willa, are you going to have a baby brother? Where is he?
There.
In my tummy? Yep. Okay, say bye-bye now. Oh, no, 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 no.